Hi, my name is Nilofer Verzgani, and I'm an assistant professor at LaSalle University's Business Systems and Analytics Department. Business Systems and Analytics is a field that integrates technology with quantitative modeling so that we can capture data reliably and create information that can be used for decision making to yield strong organizational performance in today's global economy. LaSalle's program in Business Systems and Analytics prepares our students with both the theoretical as well as practical understanding of business information systems and analytics. Many of our students have completed internships in reputable organizations, and they're working side by side with professionals who are harvesting data, analyzing its importance, and using it to make informed decisions. We have an active student body with a Business Systems and Analytics student club that organizes events all year long. Our students have the opportunity to not only interact with business leaders who come to our campus frequently, but also attend networking events so that they can build their network and make connections that will be useful for their careers. Business analytics is critical in preparing organizations for the 21st century business challenges, and the participants of this program will have the exposure to innovative methodologies that support data-driven decision making.